ate bwe tuwaluka ga hachachi ari bitenda kujuka so nampanishinga ya maragana nganya na
era bulubu ina buno basibiraga nankaba
obo ninyonya bayire master wabo nturubata ntugenda makaga abantu okuni ni watwala nchi ndanika kusoma gani nturaga ni cleaninga oba toilet. I remember she gave me 500,000 kanga tinkaga kwaka kumugamba ngukwende sente kola business.
So initial capital yawe ikaba mtwara atano. Aguramukiyo na halokali akutondera kayerekano Kitara TV wole kutekoga akasente anotekawo MBs no gamba ntireko hondere ntekanza zaite zitukora Kitara TV tubo Kwegesa no Kumanyisa byo bari tamanyire kandi no yega aneyo byo bari tamanyire mulingo bari bimanyire no hinduramo umulingo nkoko Judas cyo muhendo ndigama baragange kandi bamulisa umweho wabamoli enzaro abamoli abazira engabi kwenda kura mukiyaho hona lokali yakusaba yalo yemerere kuba no rente kanizeno kadama na kadama mbara mukisoleka. Let me be specific today mbe abantu benkura mukiyaho abataruga hante kanizeno just kambaro le hanu mbasome so that boko ninyi mutu fere kituli no doubt and sahazini we are the leading people operate platform yet niye kulidinga and lekanda mukiyeho hali naitwe Mary Kemi ono Kemi Shaka rondo musajjana yinda munete kanzange azondera muno Sara Mbabazi Katusabe Heleni ono Paul Muhumuza mali you are my fan muno Kajura Johnny amanya Charity muri bangi muno baitu mwebole kubagani utekinga time mugama no leka tuwochinge Julius ekyatuleteire tukurubata na ba Kitara Media abakola videography na photography mikoro yao yona wino kubunga wina kweranga wina wedding wina urufubiro wina bakutera gebisani wina na birthday kwenda pre birthday photoshoots aba Kitara Media bajja kuba ne bakikukolera kusaka basanga 078 992 Nsanju na mukaga asatu na itano. Nyina munywani wange Zera Arts sankwa tekisani weba masindi akolera graphics enunge bisane birungi videography na photography na musanga 078 Nsanju na mukaga ja kuba ina Zera Arts kuba ina oli masindi leka abantu ba photographers bali mekurumya omutwe tero zero mugambe Zera nkwenda akasani ano aja kuba nakaka these days na ba betweta ba Slay Queens mwenda bisani bya kamera birungi wesanga maybe ina akasimu katakutera kunje kisani filters zitakugoye kuongeza Snapchat eyo zira byona ja kubana kumalira washa records bano ba Ndavo Beats akolera bizine biri well mastered kurungi abosini wona locally ono no trending producer sahazino kankwe namba ASM era 0723 anteka nzorubazo buli kirongo gamanto muntu sa kumumanya until that person talks to you, until that person opens up na gamanto bantu abantu sa kumumanyire uraboli mwikazi wa masindi botali wa masindi but at least sa kumumanyire bukota mmanyire kilo kinu kyakairo mmanyi twina Sylivia andi bamata Aunt Sylivia watoka banda mabara gembaganiza baraja kuba natugambira who is she damuki abarozi bakitati
mutyo munabali kundola amabala nyatwa Sylivia actually byona jakuba nimbaza kasaju kanyama nimbaza rujungu noronyoro kwa muranganira amabala nigago nyatwa Sylivia director Sylvia's Beauty Parlor the name of my beauty salon kokwa kabaina agamba abakiro bengi muloko timuli mu Uganda baite kimbanyiri baraliyo bimanyiro abandi mukagenda nimukiye mukandeka nimukagenda muri bato atisazi no alinko baliza nkuzire kunyabata lini kuondi nkaba na salon actually had a nail parlor but alinko baliza I have hair services I do manicure, pedicure, makeup, and massage as well. Alitukubaliza saa zintu ni massage pala. Mutio muno abakundora.
Sylivia amabara ugambire ni waganye Atihairwe Sylivia.
Nzarwa ya Bunyoro. Nkulire Masindi bati nzarwa ya Hoima Chikuru.
Hoima Chikuru no wakuzara. Omanyira abakazi timuba na hali wenyini mwina kuikara musoboka kuroka soherwa ofuna handi. Omusajja niwe yakulesera ko Masindi.
Na Masindi niho wajwa na nyowe. Niho nyakulire. Baiti senyowe wa Hoima Chikuru.
Okay. Kinu binu byokora binu sazi no kabisoma ukabitandika
nkabisoma. Nkabisoma kwa mwaka gwe 12. 99 in 2000 yeah. 2001 kaba nimaliza course yangu. I have a diploma in cosmetology. I did it from Kampala, Pearl Institute of Cosmetology by then. Actually there weren't many in Kampala. There were like 3. There was Tina School of Beauty, Pearl Institute of Cosmetology, and then Titiana. There were like 3 in Kampala by then. But actually I was inspired by my director.
Yeah,
I went there. Should I say more about? Yeah. You know myself, nkagenda kuruga hano Masindi mazire senior 6. Actually after my senior 4, nkazaro mwana. When yazairo mwana, my mom was like, no, that is not the end of you. You have to go back to school. I went back to senior 6. Nyamara senior 6, but kokamanyire nkabana nyagamba nyoti nkusomera Masindi.
Ko kuswaru zaide.
When kwenda genda kwaha. Senior 6 nkabisomera Masindi na 4, 5, 6. Nyamara nyagenda nyagamba tinkusomera Masindi institution.
Institute sina sikonda gana institute.
Mama yangawe tunese tikatazini. Nyamugamba nyowe tugende. Nyamanya njagenda Kampala. Kile Kampala nataka kusoma kasoma MBA yabakire bungi mugimanyi South Common Institute era along no rugabo isawo no temba. So ebigambo bye sente mukayikuru bya mutalibaniza biki nyaro sente zitakyazoka. Tinyagamba tinyina kutandika kuyi. Like I grew up when I was so small, abakundura stars in mukuru until weight, but I've always been small. I've been called a tiny insect.
I think abakazi niyo goro yabo.
No, like so big, small, and I have my little height. I liked being a model. So I would model locally, not internationally, but
kumasomera aliyo bino byo
modeling amisimanya na kola emesubiki ebintu ya mulingo ugo. Nyata nikagenda kani modeling. So omanyira abana bamani musoma, there is a time when you're passing out. You model what you've done. So I had long hair, I was small, I was like a model actually. So I went to model in that institution. This is how my life started.
Kuli mwisi tukagenda
kuku modeling. MBA ibiremere school fees ziremere. Nyagenda ku modeling Pearl Institute because I used to reside in Nakulabi. Nakulabi by then ho yabaire nake na branch. So when I went to model, I did it well. They liked me. They liked the way I was catwalking and all that style. So the madam of the school, the director was like, "What are your name?" Actually, she had my name. They would call model number this, Atihairwe Sylivia this, and this. She was like, "Because this lady."
Ati bino byo ku modeling. Ukabyegesereza ukabitandika otabyo.
No, just abukubanya biyendaga. I would watch on TV. Nindolaba modeling wa modelinga, and we would go on modeling area. Pubs nkobokurana bagaba modeling Miss what Miss Regions areas. So
bio tabyesimbe hebyo ebya Miss
Bunyoro tabyesimbe. By then of course I was no longer in Bunyoro by the time. Nkujuka nka modeling ila Masaka, and I met Miss Masaka when was it 2021, I mean 201 202. But of course bitabe, so it was sponsored by Club Pilsner those years. So I met the winner. So to Arugiri actually we were in Club Ambias that year. So I started gaining. Bangamba, we want you to model for me. So the student have namunta ku modeling. Na modeling I modeled the hair and then some attires. I don't remember the attires, but they were also sold by a student. Na so kesinge bintu byakoze. So madam yankaguza nkuru no bazo uri munyoro Atihairwe of course. And she's from Ukagadi, that side of Kakumi. Yangamba ukasoma kuyikanganya mugambira kama senior 6, but now why not at school? I was like, I would love to study, but I don't have the money. So what are you doing right now? By then I was working in a bar in Nakulave. Is that bar, New Life bar actually? Yeah, by then it was a big bar. Yangamba, do you mind studying from here as I pay you part of your payment? No, modeling they were not paying us actually, but me just was my desire. Akwenda mbe ampo mulimo mbege ninsoma bine bintu byange bine byenkukola.
Omulimo naenda kwa mulimo ki?
As a receptionist.
Hey.
Of course now she saw something in me. She was like, I think if she keeps me around, then she gives me some knowledge. Besides, I had finished senior 6 and with good marks. If I never had money to take me to the university, and when I tried to go to the institute, money was not there. I resorted ngamba ya biro bino kweyiya tandika kweyiya mukamba anonya funile chance yangamba ojaga kuba no soma sente zawe zimwe nizigenda fees part ningikwirize, which was fine.
I didn't know.
Nyagamba it is okay. Nyatandika kusoma gani ntulaga ni cleaninga oba toilet oba ku cleaninga bana hali babayire abasomere. So the money I would buy some requirements, but sometimes I would run sort of them. So I think I wouldn't know what salon even nyonya komago abana babagaiga banagire nyoni koma nyoni babwange okugenda mu rollers obo
ebuno batananga ati tutaka bino ukabo bitekerezo nti olibikoraho
ndogomba nkaruga hansi my something kiruga hansi nkaruga hansi ninyendaga mu nebintu byokwekolaho actually music and art nimbi muto ninyendaga kusiga ekiteksi nindorago bumuli
oli unique alabana abandi
actually atenda director wanga yabaire extra na gamba no wonder you're doing these things because they would cane me ntaire ina hantu banga bato kusoma kumare week yet it doesn't get off so na panishinga ya maragana nganyana
era bulubu ina buno basibiraga nankaba
obo ninyonya baire master wabo kuno something is coming up so when you're kile bikoro but madam hangamba kintu kimu when you finish this course I don't want you to stay in Kampala, go back home. Nagamba kana tono ndugire mukyala kwenda kungara mukyala nyondi stable ni sazi nti kwenda garuka nka mukyala
yangalo mubiri gomo omulimo gwa New Life okagunagaho
yakagule kyakoro ogwo
oli kuno
for receptionist bakumpa akasente kakusaba kunsasulira rent kakundisaho
nekando bo mukabo passive
ngata to mukobo tindugire yo mukanya ntagaruke mukakuruganya rugire
to communicating nabo nti
communicating esimu zikabaza batito Urawo funira ki call box okata o minutes bitwaguraga bugura minutes no kutiminga bitano biwiro ati nyo kubaza omuko mwana kamukwata nyamunaga actually it is a sad story mwana kamulikira mommy was working kalagana sister wangu my big sister
but I think waguragana akurumu mwana wangu
wala magaba itati I would feel like coming home baje tayina sente zikunde to bimanye bya Kampala kaza kaninde zikanye zitakwa
nuko batayizira mu kiyaro no kushwara
but now but one thing kagamba tingenda garuka masiniko kunyarugireyo that was my target nina kubolekya first of all I went to school senior fonka rugaya nenda Nyazara that was a disappointment she took me back to school senior 6 nyamole kiati kusomera masindi she listened to me ngezere Kampala fees buziremate is not her fault I refused to go to Kabalega College by then it was NTC they had called me bakabanyesere admission free ngenezo minyaga nyoti kusomera nka
busomeso
ebusomesa nyaga nyino kusomesa team so actually you see yourself nyaga manyo kusomesa team so by then abasomesa bakujwara isutu zino zikukanga kuno nyonka rurize utakujja kubisobola
iwo kwenda bine byo kunanke nono biki
bintuntu nkebe
I think kiri muntu kiba it is abazaira abandi basabutaki kenga
I would imagine myself not putting on my trousers now in class abana tikuligamba tinyenda bana baitunkalura nyonkeero ranko muntu ngutinja kusobola usomesa so mami nakyo kitamusemeze bingi binyizire nyingi
abazaire baina kenga I think inti omwana let the child be ekyakugonza most sometimes omwana samugamba nkwenda abadde kitango but omwana ine yakwenda
my mom nyomwenda muno sometimes she leaves you to do what you of course ekikuzala kikamutahara yagamba garuka yena bo mwolekeze nabo but so when I went there kagamba I have to make my mom a proud mom mubuli mulingo gwona so bunyatandikiye kusoma ebyo bagate ebyo bigenda kutwala nka hate ebyo tibina kibiki nyagamba nyomunde kati madamu byangambiro ikale otekala Kampala Kampala munyamazini nyakola emyaka nkaniye egyo nyalugayo
no kyakolero mwaya
kamara nya graduating actually I called mommy to come to my graduation kaba tamanye no kumanya gamba kandi na bintu bya graduation nyeherereire school fees zange kulya kwange buli kimu kiyanga busente butiso bampaganya fijitinga nyakoraki I invited them for what for graduation to graduating at all gwe twagaruka mukazi gokange ebyo byako ati nyagarukire nyeyija kaikaraho ninkora emyaka nkebira nkakoraho a millennium zana one honorable kutana actually is no longer ono bagambire manya abaire nasaga yegwe like niho nyakozere kumara emyaka nkebiri nyarwara nyakwatibo bulwaire bwatalibanize of course I had to come back home but when I was 60 I would remember I had the mission mayo boina mission yawe I never gave up I had like a bucket of full of those things I had my cutex I had my everything so munyaterekereire bangamba sister mwe kama nkwenda kutwala musician ni okole catering biki kamatikana na
osome byakane
ni osome bintu bintu yeah like they never liked it I think no I had
bini byo akabata kubyenda mu
yagamba me I have my bucket in stock
and I think even no busome obo bantu bataita bayekoraho gakiye
bayekoraho ino bazisigaga but not so much so ati munyayizire nyagamba nyotinge na kusoma nyakiriza of course minti nkira kwangira abantu bakura bakizi nyagamba kareti is okay yantwara millennium actually nanka banijja ku disappointing of course nga yantwara nka banijja garuka mu salon singa yantwara actually I would come again with as an instructor bamugamba ahubwo mwana tamutwara mu bintu ebyo like omuro biki like akole bintu ebyo byakwenda she gives me some little money yagamba it is okay if that is what she wants
but now you are one of the future
yagamba olawota kubyenda then lekatukole cosmetic shop by then I remember she gave me 500,000
asente zikaba
nyingi baitu boku bano zinge
sente zobusumi obu 12
akampa 500 mitwala 5 hati nkwenda kunyumize mitwala 5 egina kusasura ho rent inagura ho sokesi inakora ho na shopping baitu nkaba
obo ruge Kampala ije ku
Kampala ndugire yo ira ndugeno mu right like I've recovered I'm fine now I've started akwenda mbeo ne kinkukora of course nka nyino mwana ata ina kumurolera nyinyi na kumurolera kani mamurolera since child since actually
ali aine myaka atinke ngaha
mwana kama university
no chengamba hali wagarukire kuno
ali mp4
akaba ku zero masina
hati nyagamba kali mtwala 5 nyoma nyeti nda muno muntu kumpe kintu kani nkakiola nkagaruka ngukani nkwenda the same same mtwala 5 kuruga ya gimpa if I'm not mistaken kimukurora hano takanyongera muga neki takanga tinkagaruka kumugamba ngukwende sente kola business I fidgeted with the 500 to date
so initial capital yawe ikaba mitwara 5 tutematemere mwa rent ikawe sente zingano tande
rent ikawe mitwaro mukaga
unosasura mwezi
akusasura miezi 3 kana nasasura gumu 3 owa hatano sigaizo zingaha
sigaizana nena
nyagenda Kampala kusubura of course nyonka muleta mukisisani actually nyonka muyo magezi nyamugamba ngenda kukora cosmetics kyonka nyo muri manyire ngenda kutaho ka bench kange na katebe ndandike kusiga gaki enono hatina nyonya biletaho bili byabanke kisisani nyagamba kantu ndege bintu byabaga byo ni ndete kyonka nyo zange zijja kuruganga munono era nyafuna ka bench with the aid of my mom ya nyamba yankosa showcase by then she was still working muntu nekalaga katebe nikala ka bench na bakasoma bani banikala side na kasokese karo muno bugita burumu butyo nijuka kulungina bunyagenzere ubunyageze ku shopping Kampala kagera kazi sister wage nize storege butyo tukagaruka tayina transport
esende tene mitwara nane nayo hiro
tukazimara
muguzire biki
bugita biti bomanyire bikite
nenono nazo zetage bigi
kandi ati waola gambire nkwaire cosmetics kandi wogenda kumunyumiza nguzire nono
oina yoenda kuvugura obutekero nabwa omoleki
kyonka nyinshi zange zinyabaire ndugire nazo Kampala ziro zina hali ziri nobukusana na bintu byone bikozese of course nkabambimanyire nyayije nyatandika koraki kusiga nono yabagani ontu nakagita ninsiga niteka musokese zino zinkusiga nono nimanya zange ati zinkozere hano nyabagani ngaruka Kampala nimeshinga shuwa nyongiro
kongera ka capital kali obo utandikira nkaha A4 Masindi this is Kijunjwa Road Kijunjwa Road hale
ekanga nkanze aho manyire opposite na tabani atunde nkaito that awono tichala alatundira masuuka biki that omulyango gugwenye ngonya bayire ali basalire ndabirwa amaani ngonya bayire nyarugaho nyagaruka hamuzigiti
ati uguno gwabandize okasobora na rent kusasura ene hoire wasasura ene
tasasura be nyasasura ndi hata unyaro nawo atakukora hata abantu batakuija nabo nindora umuntu ogera nokurakura ndiro atakiyanyizira kulungu nyagaruka hamuzigiti
kyonka ko kulya wakayahugana
karuga actually ubundi ndubata nokurubata munyabagando zetu kyasabite abantu bali makagabo ndi banterere simu
nokora
mobile kwataka basket kange ningani mbasangayo atoko twaruga hachachi nitu ari bitenda kuinjoka nturubata itugenda makagabo abantu okone ni watu walanchi but this is dizuga of course sente zeno zizoka but like kinteire butekara kulola halindi no mwana wange niturubata nikora butembe but I wouldn't mind ntuyikantu baro sente waitu nawe nasemerero but my sister was there for me. She would pay school fees till akwanga atakaba ifuna sente kusasura fees.
What sister wa yakoraga?
Sister wange yakoraga mu life ministry wema then biyamaziri atakora mu compassion mu bitu ya Church of Uganda. Natini haki yakora. So ntuikaraga tutyo nturuga ni nturo ya sabiti umwana yagana tura kusoma nyoni nturo kunukora. Mami na tura na wamuli mogwe. Life was like that. So abunyabaira muzigiti kiro kimtu atukinge manye nyigiza muzigiti zikabaza kuba bibawo. Baija bachwa. Obachwire bahe ebintu but I think it was just a malice. Jukanyo obunyasiga gendo nabantu bani bagamba itiwe nayi we obuzibe byokola okusiga nono abatembeyi abantu banu
abasiga gendo no bana bojuba nabaruba nabakabalu
bakabaruma nanya nicyo nkugaba abantu nibagamba ati urasigo tena no haruma boja bakora ki abakuru batayi basiga nyonya gamba nyina target yang class yange yabantu benku targetinga abo kuba nyonja kufuna abantu abatakusa kwemera hansi yo mutinga kufuna abantu abatakusaga bemere nka haba basige mu office inconveniences za milimo yabo but omuntu ino bwire naija actually nyalenga kitongoza kiteka ha class like nimbogya nikora bane batakora
binne byokute bigere bike
batakora sabantu bagamba bya hata ijja kora biki nyaruga haho nyagarukaho nyina hari nyageze ninkoraga naho musalini yo muntu baite umuntu yabaga ninkiyakora nibanje nibagaba kwenda kutaha like nko kamanye challenges ziba
no leko maono gano kora na hana
oba ataho nyarugireho nyabanza nyabi stopping nindora bitaku nkolera kabanyina kali mukefunye mu irwaro okwe hata soko naho nyakora part time hati nyagenda gakuyinuka kandi bali nikusanga nibenda kutaha kandi bakasoma bandinzire kandi sente zikugaruka mu kupangisa buhiya akajasi ndorera kikintu kienono kiyonka ndora kimbera kizibu cyonka nyafuna nyayiye munywani wangaro munywani wange right now she's in USA twamajinga twakora na mugamba to manyiri bagano tunda braids ni ukambege ni ntundaki ninkora bine byange tusharingere actually this very building bite mu corridor mtu amazire nawe yagenda kapaya funa mu yagenda Kampala nyasigara binyinga but at least nkabamfunira akasente nyafuna kali yango kandi ndinyinga nyatandika nabokora from that time nyatandika akora actually ninyonyenka yabaire hanu masindi akusige nono nyikalire abandi bona bakabaliki
kwijja hano kajjo mwaka ki
hano hali ni hano
abwa kutandika noli yatundaga braids
maybe na mwenda I think ni ati yagenda Kampala like 2011 2010 nyasigara
almost myaka 10 nenga 15
bwire bo burabiro nyatandika koraga nyenka abantu batandika kukimanya ngo umuntu ugenda mu salon bobana ugenda omukoro no bookinga ni bakukoraho ni bakusige nono ni bakora hati nyaikaraho ni ndoreti challenge umuntu akuja amugole akwenda kusige nono akwenda gukora isoke kandi nyoti nkora isoke
omukusekole nono zonka
nagamba ati nkozirinda actually tukadda long story short but ninka ikara ni nkora specifying in specializing ile munono No, so when makeup came, I went to attend Kwegesa makeup because at school we did everything actually. I did hair, I did nails, which is manicure and pedicure, I did makeup, which is beauty and massage. Although you can't carry everything on your head.
You were specializing
besides nakasente ko kakamanyiri. No, niche kinte kiri kyangu kutandika compared to the hair and all these other things.
Ari matandikire bye no mwasaraga busara oba na extensions maziteka uko.
Twaziteka uko.
Busume we extensions zikazazo.
Abatiyito bayita bakuzimanya. Uko ebintu bigandero ne bihinduka.
And more so kunumba kyabaganke ekyalo.
Ati kandi kyalo kubaga kuteeka hino like mbakirwaki
kiri.
Bakutayina no bakaba bali batiyito. Bayito zo zimanyire kuziteeka uko. So like I've been like a role model buli kikaija and I actually go on exploring kwetegeza kiki izire kiki roho abukona hari nkubaliza busawo gajete kwetebwa eyenono eyintake ngalute oyongerezo na magezi gali ganyahira mu institution nikyo kula abantu ngani bagamba bampa abana kubegesa ningamba here one thing, it's a one stop center mwana aja kuruga hano amanyire
buli kimu
asabu tachikwata but at least abukwana nyo hari nyasomeiri busumi obo machines zinu zitalikiye kujja biro bino ezindi twasoma ngabusoma mu kitabu kyati tusomera we have a big book, it's called a Bible. You just read it theoretically but otakikwata hono karaka sisani bakugamba ombre machine, you've even never seen it, bakugamba drilling machine tokugikenga facial steamer zinu ntuzirolaga bulola tutakuzimanya bizibimu toning machines zimu ziro zitaro right no manya akiri kakiurawo so the same applies mwana wajja hano manya buli kimu no baragenda ja kuruga at least amanye what is this and what does it do.
So ati tugaruka inyuma 2029 kwijja hano bomezi kwijja hano rede business kabe gazihire
gazihire batita etagazihire munukiraho abukwanka banza nabo mutanga street binyarugire mu kikubo kya Tanga street nyagaruka main like nyafuna vision yagamba no I think kuba bana bangi benyize ni nyegesa and kiba kibi muno mwana woyegesize kujja kakurabaho
kuri redoka botanike no kusomesa
roho mwana unyaleka wabonyaga ngenzere kora hati byayikire nawe yayetongora okyetegereze so tinyangire omuntu inakukalo risk ya competition is healthy but you have to match with the competition so hati kikuba nikisuwaza muno omwana weyegesize kujja kakora akakurabaho so you have to fight for that, not in a bad way but you have to keep your name like me I have to leave a legacy actually and I think I've made a name tinkubaza kugamba rundi kwe haisa but at least everyone knows me in a to say tojagenda photo okalema tasangire omuntu amanyire si tojagenda kaseso okalema tasangire omuntu amanyire si likingo wenono hoi might just a walk over so people tell me why don't you come and make a brunch. I'm like no, please take things
no hano mwangi
kama nzimbe hano I know I will but not now it's like abantu abakotandika kore isoke bojokore no si kandi byo no kabisoma nimbagama mubanze mulinde so toli suppose gumagara shinge kintu is of late is it not so ni bontandikire kora isoke like yawo too back
ijori no tandikire kora
isoke nyoti nyalikora kaira people would come ngama mugende hali nkora no na make
simba kati kyaina Atihairwe Sylivia and tukunyimya muna worugendo hararugire and I think I'm enjoying this orubazo no I will be trying Kwegesa abantu it is all about kukenga kikeki okugonza and Sylvia ijori no tandikire kora isoke boka una pressure yabantu ntechoka isoke
kagamba kwati nja kipapira bokuba like I've been in Kampala I know what they call a salon and ko munyatandikire empole byenono I really want to do something ekirabazwaho bakagamba mbuya this is a salon so I saw salons no munyabere kampanya na salons nyakozeremo there is some salon it used to be at King Fahad that salon I think to be sincere it has never been
tateka baga salon
mu Uganda hano yokura that guy invested a lot of money in the salon leave alone salon imwagenda gani babatabala na van bulomwe bakupikinga abakozi that those years obo nkubaza di halinya mali kusoma 20 something there ni baba pikinga we had uniforms. There were those executive machines, these chairs zines vibrations zinaona football ziliyo hati but by then kwenda comparing it was an executive salon so I got inspired. I was like now if I'm to make a salon I don't want to make a fake salon. I need to make something at least convertible chairs, these rotating chairs, there's a reception and actually I think here if it be ethical or professional, I try. Tinja kwe hai sangu ndi profession, but of course I have to live by my professionalism.
Ababyegera street ababyegere
zero gwe nwamanya kukana atusekereza na gamangu wo inacho gama musamugambe tuli busy wo ina like wo inacho gamba gena mu salon ogamba nanga abasajja zera buntu bwe kanga
embozi ndichandikira
mu salon kati ko gamba I want to put that thing off. At least my girls when they come for work, they've come for work. Tali nibo jja kusanga ni roaming around no.
Iyo Kumanyisa sometimes abasajja bali serious tibenda na bakazi baba je masalon.
Gamba noku.
That's why
mukazi we salon agamba mukazi we salon ikara mu rugambo tibaina kindi kiona, but that is not with me. Tiali niko Kitara. I try to tell them, girls, you have to be ethical. You have to be exemplary. You have to show them that salon is something, it's also a profession like any other profession. Rules and regulations. Not kugumya kagamba okwandi we saluni magara like kirundi I think anyo abantu bagani bagamba but now go now manya byajuware myaka ya like excuse me, this is my job. I have to look what I'm doing. I may not put like what, but actually I'm supposed to put on what makes me smart, and I'm conscious of myself that whatever I put on before I get outside my house
na abantu balina kurole kyokora.
I'm smart.
Hati okatandikawo ogambira nti abalina abaana abasomeseza okatandika nkaisomero likusomesa abaana bano
obasomesa isomero abazaire they get inspired. For example, abana benyina hana bakiruwing the better COVID results COVID effect abana bamazire COVID buyayizire myaka ebiri
abandi bakuzire bara batakyagaruka mu masomo
abandi abazaire bagabo jini kali no mwana wangu ogonyokizibu mukabana mu isikiti nyina kunda mulinda nimbagamba it's fine mubalete abandi bakasasura abandi tibasasuire, but I'm this kind of person being a parent kugambe je mvude wange kaikala ni person ngano mwana wangu omugo with a little income so wajaka ngamba ningamba all I want someone who is disciplined. Tinkwe na muntu agenda kuja kumpa hano headache kandi kinu kinkuga timba somesa but I tell them whatever I'm saying here, you have to go whenever you want to go. Ogendo manyire no abana bagenda gaheri kutera biye nimbagamba jagendo tereke emyaka yawe ebiri, but you have to use your brain. Omanye budarugo mu kijuhanu, can I get a hole somewhere?
That is actually babangi muno bakutokinga kaire kano. I think the biggest challenge na baisiki bano bakutonga ga sente by to kujja kuzileta kuzinvesting ne ba challenge ali.
Yeah. Actually I had a girl here, I not mention her name, she went yalenga kan nyumba nimbagani ngabora bogenzero uko tandikira kuli but target yawo gambe undarugo mu kiju umwaka gwa kasatu tingaruka mu kiju because the jobs are there. Nyoba libangambe tukwenda tufuna muntu tukutwale manyawa okusiga ina manya those are all opportunities boko wali mu beauty you can learn many things nikyo mbagamba buli someone ali hanu atamanyire ukikolebwa hanu. Like I introduced massage by nakubiega bagamba don't stick on one thing. Nina mwana kaja kwege neno, she now knows makeup, she now knows facials, she now knows body massage. Nina wesoka yaisa kaja tamanyire massage, but I told her inakubiega because right now the girl was doing massage left but she's the one who's participating right now. But initially she was a hair therapist. She wasn't a massage. She wasn't.
Oidabana boyegeseze barugamo batandika nabo babamani muno bokonyumiriza.
One of them Nina Bella, Nina Judy, Nina Aronda Boki. Actually abasikibona bali muno. Apart from
abali mu town
bona balabiri mikono yana.
Biki byo kwenyumiriza mu mirimo gwaguno kurwo gutandika
bing actually byono bomezi wange bona biri bino era nabana nikyombaga because ali nkubaliza omwana anga kasoma kama university ngo mojo nkugamba my sister helped me, but as if singatabaire nanyo ni muyambo muntu akusakwetikire mugwawo ka Yesu kuyakoze yayimbo kusala
kwaza wona wenka
nayo hikyanka haya tunogamba wewe nanyoka nkoleki kambe kinku mutasawo. So nyenda muno ngokugambire oli wala kubagamba abanyoni bagamba nkuwatira uti kufoka ki so oli wala kukwatireho nayo bako kyogamba ndamugarulira ntabagamba babaganaga mukuddiza obe kyokkola ki. So actually making sure kozere muno kurura nawo making it proud because me whosoever comes bagamba sister wangu mukururu when she comes here, or she wants to do what, just to do anything she wants to do, only the tatamuntu will be because she's
at the opposite. She
did hair also. She did hair, but right now akaenda kukora omulimo gukujasomere.
Hati kurugotandika wakaboga sinari wagamba but I think ebintu bina bakindabireka. Well, then you thought of giving up?
No, I've never, just because nibye be making it kuba kikintu. And actually nibye bintunzire. Me, I'm the kind of person who say kwika hantu ningamba lero hanu busaha manyire chukogero kwa and see ogenda kwa ongo see obanukyala, not because of what, just kusiga no kandi nokuba omulimo gwange ngukora with passion. Love and passion is so crucial. Kore kintu nokienda nokihobwire nokugoza okwingi muno.
Entekaniza olubazo tukyaire ya Kitara TV kubazabaza muna Sylivia ari arugire bintu kyo omuntu byokusaka kumugamba. It could be maybe businesses in the zibakora iwe nkaiwe personally bya bino bya beauty everybody ni ku drivinga kururandi na customer bayikaino ba maintaining
ngo kunkagambirege acting a professionally kikuru muno uko muntu obota genderereza rules and regulations in each rundi ethics you go astray. So inakukana nogaruka mu notice zawo zinogamba, but how did they tell us how to present yourself, how you present yourself before the client, how to interact with client, communication. Actually, I think communication is in all ethics.
Kyala ntekaniza olubazo tukya mbaitu nyikiriza nkujukizo aba Kitara Media abantu bakola videography na photography amikoro yawo yona nkujukizo na ba glam decor bantu bakukoa bakutimbira amikoro yawo yona kurungi. Sometimes abantu babano obugenyi ekinte kya decoration tibakifaawo muno timbo mukuru gwa kikurungi muno so that abantu bakwegome bagamba mwana anko mukoro mukaba gurungi au jagegen haba glam duko basobola kuba nibakwa services ezo and Sylvia kiki omuntu kikere ku drivinga kya kwizinga kuba constant nakyo it could maybe in a business ezindi iyo bikere niyo konsa kurant wa maintaining a business nekura na customer bawo
enkura kurana bwija mukichweka naye kueleza kuongera hoki kuongera una iwe nkura kurana abakwato ija kungambo jagendo sanga abantu batundage miyembe yenko mukatale then waraje wa apple iwa yalokigire miyembe sigale miyembe naye ojagaye tuwe miye apple zinaziguranka nenyoka ankoleki so nkugambirege okuturukia abana Ijukaba kuturukia, those are your future competitors. So you have to match. You may not be better than them, you may not be what, but try to fight hard. Ukura mutolugire mu system. Abolese mu system kandi bakusambye cheke bakozereki bakuire mu system. You have to keep as their role model. Actually, me, I always encourage them. Leaving my place doesn't mean we become enemies, because I'll remain your consultant. Consultant asigala consultant. So abandi bakitwara kubiti nsagaruka yo biki nkabagamba no bakubadupa
arabo yakona nabo kubya
nagenda isana gamba tingaruka yo wasiri tingaruka yo biki but at least abamu, but all the same ogenda kurola na rulangu oli yakusinza aba yakolechi yakusinze era garuka no rulangu agaruka mu nsoniso nabakuba baba balize bingi tinja kutina kibaza maiso ga TV but baite bigambe betibiri birungi bano nokole kintu professionalism tinina mu kusa kibaza muri ubundi kuba ethical abakira mu kyetegereza kandi oina kuhondera bile bakugamba ngo urano kore kintu nanka oina kora kintu kintu oina kora kibi eki abantu abakiri kibatamanya so bogaruka gano reciting bakagamba kintu like it is very important by the way kuhura nicyo kulanga abana ngabe don't go away from your mentor ugaruka na nywa TikTok kile kitu wasomeire mu nabasomise batugamba don't do this when you're doing this don't do this atabo kwana nyabakoze byenyina bona barabiri mu mikono yange tinja kwe haisi tibakusena kabakoza abarabire mu mikono y'abantu bani cyo ngameke salomba bakwa kintu hakuwa there is a way for example basa kugamba postures when you're standing working on someone don't suppose quest training at the same time to suppose training a client make sure the client is comfortable. For example when you
akora ali customer na ngona
kwate njakusa kuba ni kusara di suppose kuraga nimbaga ni study
ndani ndumu akuru
so wopo ngamba no manya there something that you're doing that is not right the client is not comfortable
so neisoko babadi batusaroda sakumara
na kusinise machine so ati bobo mundabiri wame tujamba kwati nja kura ngaruka ngakora ki for example for the hair he suppose to making a use of the mirror. Is my client happy? Is she comfortable? Is he or she comfortable? So mulinga ikaliro na kumeshinga before you begin. Actually it is okay when you keep on asking the client, Are you okay? Are you comfortable? How do you feel? Yeah. Orundo sakwana muha like soda massage like this. Are you fine? Also, I want to make no rub face. So, money. Now there is something that is not right. Yeah. So, hati woman okore kintake all the ethical. Kikuyamba actually me. I have not found any problem in my services. Zangezinu. Abakwa I interact. And the customer is not no baba rohanga, no baba president. Be by that, I normally tell people not quick. So long as I can express myself and tell you I want this, I have come for this. Like I know my rights, I know where I'm supposed to go and where I'm not supposed to. Like myself. Yeah, actually, how I interact with my customers, I make them my friends. Most of my clients. No, I try to control it. I put actually we have that what we call like in maybe in beauty what we call plastic smile. Because you may annoy me, but when I turn to Zera, I'm like, wow, Zera, how are you? Okay. Yeah. Chonga kuno wawe. Like I'm coming to you on client is maybe like if you have been pissed from home, try hard. Actually, Nikiokura Nabasai Jarundi Abanur Baitu, but supposed to command our ethics. I just sang an Okola Saja Mukunya Kiki Agandrekim Musang again over Saja again over like massage of late massage is spoiled actually. Sorry to say this. Just like Mkungambire Ginyatandikide, Ninkora eno na bantu bagamba ati beitogo na wakore no. Lera batembe bakanyide bano ebi byakugamba banye byenkumita by then twasaja kana 13. Ebi ohala alikuwa batembe bakore 12, 10 na kusana na kusiga na ogenda. Try hard to put your thing on a level and actually create a difference. Omuntu ajja kuija akole a difference ngo and actually my clients all know you cannot you cannot even see. I'm not like maybe talking out of pride, but I fight hard even if you have to ask. If it means putting in money, I know I may not get money out of it right now, but in the future people will notice the difference. Just like I say, my beauty is your pride. I may not mind about the interest, but I just want you to go outside with a smiling face. And when you're actually satisfied with the services here. You are talking about massage. When you go back to massage. Massage, it's actually
body waxing.
Yeah, we do waxing as well. I'm coming there. Like when we you see the world is developing, as I told you, there is competition. This is the world of competition, which is okay. Competition is healthy. But when someone is doing this, then you have to opt for another. Like I told you, beauty is wide. Beauty is wide. Toksa kungama, you will go on an empty stomach when you're doing beauty. At least you come, I do your eyebrows. I shape your eyebrow. You give me 3,000, for example. Me I do it for 3,000. Some other people too what like that. But
so to sakurari inja really more feel them.
Actually, brain here we already active. And actually, I told my guys I don't want that. If your idol, at least what or sooner pamba, make those cotton balls. They will make you until okay, take this. So massage, I decided to do massage because I was seeing it was lacking in Masindi. People will become like the name of professional beautician, cosmetologist. They expect me to be doing what? Massage. I tried it before Takafuni room in to partition, but what I know. I like being ethical. You can't do someone, you cannot massage someone at sometimes it's depending. Either someone has to shower first or someone showers after. Depending on the kind of massage you give me the person. There is, because you have a variety, we have Swedish, we have aromatherapy, we have deep tissue. Like for aromatherapy, the oils are therapeutic. Kukakuliate is treatment.
Body to body.
Body to body, I don't do body to body.
Baito gihura.
I know it's there, yeah.
Mpuraba sikia ndibaga internet abo sikini bagiranga mu.
Bagiranga body to body ati aho niho tukwija. So hati hano nyarozere mutingu sa kuba na massage in a bathroom, then I'm going off being a
hari nanga minimum.
Nkuba ntakikora. So nyo ngo ngamenye ndamunokore kintu. Such that no muntu abo kwati nyongora abantu abaru basiriyo by the way. People who have moved. You cannot convince someone to genda kumara kumukora wena kunyeregeta. Again, someone has come from the office, lawyer, someone is a lawyer in a government tie. When I na massage gamujuire omusigire oiro, okay, tegereze. Beto kumugamba, if you don't mind, you have a bathroom, you can shower, then you put on, you know what? You atihairwe go. So your aromatherapy or supposed to get an oil. Because those oils are treatments. Because we have eucalyptus, we have lavender, we have chamomile, we have clove, we have lemon. Zonas in actually work. Going out, they have different what benefits to the body. Because there are those ones which have painkiller, which is like a painkiller. No
massaging or tumbas.
Zero. Lavender, which acts like a sedative, stress relief. We have a variety actually. So tubatumani likini chikola ki chikuyamba ki, and actually you're supposed to have a client's record book, which is very important in all beauty therapy.
Kine kya massage kanino nikifulinga muno into babieta bya health stuff
physiotherapy. Kinda, but of course you don't go so deep because we never did. And science. It is not something that you can just learn in a day. It takes actually for refreshers. They have to go through anatomy and physiology, which is all about the whole body part. So we were just like course you need seeing or younger, but it is very important to mutakwata hamobi kumanya anatomy and physiology because so akwata akanyo ko omuntu na mazo utampali ngeno omuntu now that is why atokura abantu they are going off it, they are going for body to body, which is leisure, which we used to call Swedish, because Swedish is all about relaxation and just having a fun. Hata abantu, because of interest of money, just like you see prostitutes on the roads selling their bodies, and you know men, not only men, even women, naigana kugamba, may want this. But me, whosoever does massage here, I'm like, the rest, you can exchange numbers, but not in my massage parlor, no. And actually, abakundora runda bakumpuliriza bakimanyire kimungu beauty parlor, I mean Sylvia's massage parlor, does not entertain sex. You dare do that at your own risk.
I think these days abaisiki bakiserekamu,
I know,
kind of unkuraga bakupangisa like a whole house.
Yeah, it is common. It is common. I've heard about that, but it is not good. Chikiri kirungi. Abakwati bajja kuiko abasajja bakirubinga actually. Question women whose husbands are going for massage in those houses. They should one time try to find out. I'm sorry, I will not mention someone that you come see like she wanted waxing. She had beards. Why might I want to mention this week, but I want someone who can do that service for me because I normally do her waxing. Because it is so embarrassing for ladies to have beards. It is not tikiriki obuhango.
Hata inagenda babusikasikia.
Yeah, agenda nazuka kulungi. Okay, tegereza. Nyamu directing some place. But when she reached there, it is a full house in a gate. She hooted, she had the car, and I think this lady expected the man to come in a car. She was putting on something skimpy, a bike, and all those stuff. Omukazi bekira yamugambire, omukazi, it is 50,000, just plugging out like a few beards here. Yamugamba, really? Yamugamba, yes, my boss will not accept, but omukazi akagoye on the general. You know, now you're seeing what it means. As if these people don't know what they are doing.
Isn't this affecting your minimum?
Of course. It is. That's why we need to do, actually, thank you so much. It is what Kitara TV for hosting me. I was planning, but because of money issues, going to have a talk show. Actually, my massage hasn't yet picked up, but I'm planning to have a radio talk show, or maybe like this audience that I'm having to explain to people who are watching me out there that things differ. People have different motives. Mine is just different because you can see. There are people there, there are people here. Though someone may feel like not comfortable to go through the salon, we have an outside door. But someone who has interest in someone who has massage, but ask yourself, how many people are you going to fall in love with? How many people are you going to sleep with in a week? If you get like 4 clients, are you a sex machine? And actually, you can just see this bed here. It's so tiny. How are you going to have sex with this? So if you have interest in someone, you can exchange your numbers. You sort yourself from there. But actually, imagine if this lady had sex in this room. What would you are all mature people? What were you going to find inside here?
I think even the public perception. I don't know. They have even a friend. Because in most cases, usanga nankazanyi zino basaloni zanyu basajja no bakola basajja bakwenda abakazi bakwenda abasajja no bakolewo. Yeah,
because they were asking me, do you have a gentleman who does this? I was like, I don't have a gentleman, but you know, nkakugambire. It is upon you to convince. You know, beauty is all about convincing someone. So it is your duty and the obligation and the responsibility to convince that person to paint black. If you don't have red, you should not allow someone to go without getting a service yet you can offer it. So the same applies. Sometimes I would also feel ashamed. Oh, when we are collecting stickers and massage. Me, I moved. I went to offices. I went to where you're giving out. Until you find yourself that is the duty you're supposed to do, you tell them, excuse me, we do massage, we opened up a massage parlor. Maybe there's some guy who was like, I love doing massage, but I fear, maybe I'm like, okay now, I saw again, what it is.
The public perception is too gamba.
But really, for example, there is a way you act. You hold this towel if the person is to dress up. There's a way you hold the towel if the person is to turn. It is all going back to professionalism.
It is. I think even the first time let me sauna. Finding a bit weird but until
yeah, she's normal. Yeah, it is very okay. Massage. So I tell my girls, just be with that confidence. Show the person that is not what has brought you in here. And actually, most of my girls have tried to give them that the confidentiality. I mean that thing that when you have a man, tell him point blank, this is not what you're going to do. If this is what you're expecting, out of 100, or 99 wagambe no. I think at Sylvia's they don't do sex in their massage work because I don't think there's a man who goes client. I don't think. I jagamba no. But and actually that guys are the gentlemen. Unless these who call in hotels. Someone who calls you from the hotel just go knowing this person has other motives.
Baina biloni baina gana nkuragani barangana bagetaga oba mobile wateka wiki namusanga ro musangire
and of course babikora but nkabagamba there are risks because you don't know. People have their own reasons, they have their own baina bintu byabo motives zabo zino sana kwiko komuntu nakusadaka
omulimo gwa guno gokora guno tukyala public perception ibi kyabantu byura ibakubazaho bebatekereze kyuri.
Like for example, massage has just come, but I know people still talk. But now, like me, I don't do massage. Actually, when I do facials, I do waxing. Massage needs a lot of energy, which I don't think I still have that energy. And actually, I didn't do much of massage in my fields. I used to, but there are very many challenges like those ones. But you just have to stand yourself and convince the person until the person no. Your no has to be a no. I mean. But you are not taking advantage of you. But remember, ask yourself, how many people am I going to sleep with? For example, if I get like 4 clients, how many men am I going to sleep with? This is Mancini that is small. Are you going to do that one for years?
At our now, take us through challenges as
massage basically. Like the time we be with our clients, it's a big challenge. Akaire komano muntu so muntu akwenda kugamba ekigambo na wagamba jagenda bansale no okitegereza abandi baije nabandi banya approach ngati the stars nyondi mukazi can no longer tell me such things because actually I don't think nyera byanko muntu nyenda muna nti okuchakala nyenda muna bya masanyu but I tindi muntu allow am this loose like so they take me for that omuntu nakuja kunya approachinga tukwenda kaisika bagamba no aba bana kubazaala kwati ndanyine omwana amaze universal 26 ati okutandika bwana benyina bwana bati 26 ati okutandika kungamba assuming I have a girl, can you tell me to go and seduce my girl for you? Really ngamba try some onyeba referring mwesange hand right
batali hand
nyoti nkusobola yuni nikomba gamba nicho kwa na bana wewe jali tuseka biki ebisigairo mata kwenda kumani actually sinyana kumani from here I can take them out, we do what we just but ebyo mbata kwenda kumani so yesanga ngobire mukumana na client iyo bora controlling ngire ujja kwesanga bulaizire akugamba ki bulaizire akugamba ki so no yesanga nti musajja wakuba nakwenda nabaja kufundawo chance like challenges are mulingo.
How do you manage baisikiba ndozire bahali baisikiba livangi muno abasika batali bangu like muno burusanga susatelima baisikiba ingi bazi mu controlling
it's like it all goes back to professionalism. Like when you go to school to run course units, there is administration, there is management, there is accounting, there is what kwegamba biri
psychology
byona oina kumanya no manyo nagira weakness eno and actually you have to be a good administrator or a people just call themselves MD, they call them managers, but they don't know what it means. Because running this business for all these years, coming to 20 plus, it is not easy. And when you have workers, more than 5, because they are 6, the 7 in this place. So controlling them, give them some kind of freedom, but not so much. Call them like your daughters, talk to them. Like you will never fail to talk, you will never get tired. Okay, take it easy. I give them an off. Every person has an off in a week. The 5 will want to use I have now off because in another off, and they will tell you make sure you do everything in that one day. Every single you don't come to work on time. Otaho bile bubalirire salon tugira bile butukinga kingura kusakuba okebati kukinga and on an appointment you can even come here at 6
no mukora hati no isango bile bugenzere
Kumanyisa sai 12
aro muntu akora booking bile
you have to book, and actually that is where I'm heading because now omuntu akuja na kugamba tomorrow I want to go to Para, I want to go when I've done makeup no isango imukisa 11 gwedo kozere omukozero. So we have tunakuba nekitabo kyo booking and omanya in a week, and that's what we're going to do in a week. I have like 4 clients. They are calling. They will call. This time I'm supposed to go there, work with the person. Next time this failure to come, you have to pay. Because you wasted my time. I just away some other person because I knew your car.
Okiakora mobile nkabuli ati wagazira wajana makeup biki ido mobile wino gamba mikoro yeah hata bako mugole for example tujja kumugamba ijja kukole makeup lero mukoro guli gwanyingi and actually to make something good, unless if the person has a car, tukyale nini awasa kuja ni mukolera wano depending even on the money, but I normally go with my box makeup box. I go and work on the person, then I come back. Bino bitura roho bagamba makeup ekurukusire it
depends on the quality. Quality of makeup. Ati ko kamanye tune bintu bi counterfeited ebindi birugire manya muranga ina kubaza byani si China bikiti like they are duplicates. Of course the interest of money or like I take into care na gamba to have to get some brands which brands between abintu bingi tuna kale na bwe kuba eribara still baliogiamu but at least me I have my people who supply me with my makeup. They come from UK. But in the lipsticks no manya ugitero ko ganyisha kana mpaka royebagio. So but all the same I cannot fail to do this other cheap makeup.
Arobwe bura manya lipstick ezalo long lasting
long lasting na mu counterfeit daro long lasting. No, take out components daro. But these lipsticks with the ones you put, even tomorrow morning you have to fight removing, unless if you have a makeup remover. Nibo no giha but you put in a makeup remover te kurugaho okuyika hand panic yakoze ni kiaro. So it depends the money you put in, the money the best
is tattooing in a part of beauty.
Yeah it is
na yo mubikora
timbikora but at least I have it at on my body.
ebizibu tugambire ebizibu ayino buli muri bokubamu ebizibu enambo them I think bizibu kyenye ebiri muri guno muri mukwana
ebizibu like challenges zitwi of course sometimes okora hamuntu na tasima obunda kugenda handi bamukora atinke nono
araja nagankwenda okole onkananka
no mukora onkananka na lete bisana tibite bakaja social media kama kwenda kwala nano kazi muzenyini so niko kugamba kutwala back or suppose kuba with that convincing language no mugamba you know what I may not do this but I have something that I can
better than this
close to this or even better hati guno rugo okoze mukozi kane muconvincing but kiri kya convincing omuntu aize nekisami kihano kugamba nyoka akole kusema inakola mulingo kimutekamu agenda ali convince kandi nabo asano kunyumira no kusinga byokozerege yabayizire nabyo kana endo mugambe this is a picture, this is a photo, there is editing, it cannot come the way you want it, but I can do something which at least can be good. Nagenda ali convince other than kugamba nkisobora okaika kukikora kalema kutatufikira agenda wena abihiri which is not good. Your happiness is my pride. Tingo ndo tuko mwaka nyao sente zangu nyingi kana tiyankole bitazire kandi kuno nayi woli mungu.
Yes. Now tell us you must have had a kid. Ekyakuba iriho mulimo guno kyogamba nti now you see omwaka guno there's something that happened tinsakiyewo.
No, like obalero ngambe nkaki challenges is ofunamu like maybe let me say like fear nogamba ndagumarao bigambo bya renti obano kiala for example muroze case ye generate okubola honde mukazi tindimanyire obwesumurukira singa tabaire ogo bayintandika kutera kandi makaniko buni number tindina kandi client akwenda kuoma for example atino isangira kimungu kwegamba ofunire challenges nyingi no isanga rent obundi byangire abakozi no isanga kali bibamu but at least I've gone through it taro kyamani muno kinkurora ngo ekizire kya nikaide mutaro kyamani kirabo.
Yes, abarozi ba TV tuliantekaniza olubazo kantusembere ku bantu mala entekaniza nibikiza kusimeho na halo kali akaire no tuondera kurugali tukatandikire gene entekaniza eno kandi kuba nti twasembere ku bantu gimala nkwenda ebigambo byawo tumalira
lero bisakwa binkyo kambis cutting short ekyo kubanza kusima abarozi bayitunda bawuliriza abakutulola hano hambeho za Kitara TV nkubasima mwe bali muno naimwe abayizire interviewing because I've never at least had such an opportunity. I'm so glad. I thank you so much. Then my sincere thanks go to the parents who give me these girls to come and treat because if it weren't for them maybe Kumanyisa. We have been known because of them. And actually kutumira nabana bona baikayi nibajani ba supporting abakusima na clients bange team sa mention ngomu homu team kusobora but at least they've supported me aroha binyatandikiye nabo nesazi n'cyari nababandi bakagenda because of transfers but at least some of them they come and they are still appreciating which is not easy to maintain a client kuruga batandikire. Yeah, my sincere thanks goes to my beloved sister, my mom who has been there for me. Actually, Mama, I love you so much. And my friends, yeah, I thank God for what I am because at least I've managed to go through everything. Tina Kimusagamba, I'm encouraging girls. Molekera hukwesiga esente za basajja. Nyanko kunkali hanu. Actually, I tell my girls, make your own money because with money you can attain anything. Men are outside there. Stop admiring men who have their wives. They fought for that thing. Ati wakuja no
hata ukizivu bakwenda gaba kuifuga wakuja kwa lota kuifuga ukumara
but you can also drive your own car your own energy. Yeah, because na nyo hali ndi hanu right now I'm constructing my own house and after construction of course I may even buy a car before even doing what through my own hands. You understand? Actually my director Mrs. Magende, she really showed light to me. Nabana balahero ko muleke kwikaliza nyoti nsako. By the way, when I started, people were like, nyoti nsako atambigere byabana. Nyoti nsako, but right now they're in offices, they're in computer, they're seated in just like this chair I am in. I used to be on a plastic chair, but I can now swing.
No kwaninga.
Yeah, I'm earning more than them.
I think commonly go in a go for a kuba enjoyable.
Yeah. Because me when I'm making kuba kiki okwenda kibi. And now me I dress up, I can put on my suit, I can put on everything. Like, okay, now come office. But this is my office. I don't go to office because I have my chair, I can swing. I have my desk table there. The remaining is a laptop, but I look at the laptop now for what? Unless on the counter there, maybe if I begin doing such things, but it's not so important. Yeah, tini na kiamani, muna kimsaga, makusima aba customer, but clients actually they're not customers, they are customers. My clients, mkobasima muno mutimo komutaliha, wakwa you've really supported me and you've made me what I am today. May God bless you. Works of your hands and may continue blessing you. Thank you so much.
Ntumalira. Kizina kiki olunya kikunyumira kikutere ntumalira.
Kizina kyorunya.
Mbyohura.
Lero manye kizina ki. Kizina kya Jovi Kaila. Otwizi twangu.
Twizi twangu. Superman. Nikita Superman.
Namanyira otwizi.
Jovi Kaila tiwa kubali kiraya ntuwawe anu.
Bona batawa class. Shanok, client wange. Bona actually Shanok agira kizina. Love you Mubara. I know that song. Bala. Love you.
Okay, Julius Yobedo nigama baragani. Kusima the next webale munaikaire no tondera ali patandikire getu bale na leto Sylivia. Ali later Atihairwe Sylivia. Twenda kenga kiki ali. Tumkengera hali atandikire. I think you get inspired. Rugero nkaruno mbozi nkeno. Urugandikyo nkaruno. Okale motagetingira inspired. Timanyire. But kuruga harai ya tandikire up to now, you must have got inspired. Mwebale muno kuteka ogana kasente. If this is your first time kuwa not watching ila Facebook, ila kuwa no liking, watching ila YouTube, ila kuwa no subscribing so that tusuregwa kuwa nutubatina hamu. And Sylivia savile Superman uga majofu ila why not? Tuwalirente kanija siwe kurungu.
Holy sweet mulavu kutekereza oini wherever do muna sweet holy so deep. Yeah kwete kisweeti wange kotizimu kilasi tumara eiro niwe perfume yange kawo wakarungi. You're my love for those. I've been loving you every night and day. And I've been missing you every night and day, Oh no mwana jiranke nyange amutima gwange akaikara bakumwegomba mumulekono wange ono wange oli twizi twange otumara eiro kanyunyozi kange you're my Superman oli twizi twange baby otumara eiro kanyunyozi kange you're my Superman. Weyetera mabana dog, you take away the pain. You're my banana dog, give me that love. Overdose. Baby, let's make some love tonight. Oh, I want to be your wife for life. Oh, venka kadresi kange kenjwara nenyuma. Cause I wrote your name on the tablet na kwaura mtima. You're my love. Oli twizi twange otumara eiro kanyunyozi kange you're my Superman. Oli twizi twange baby otumara eiro kanyunyozi kange you're my Superman. Omubiri kuona kukankana no kumeza baby ni meza ni ndwara ni chura olinyita akaraka kawo ni so nice obugambo bwa buli so good onkwata kurungi oli so nice you're mine. Baby, let's make some love tonight. Oh, I want to be your wife for life. Oli twizi twange otumara eyo kanyunyuzi kange you're my superman. Oli twizi twange baby otumara eyo kanyunyuzi kange